In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss some problems based on standard identities. In our last video tutorial, we discussed about it, and the video link of the tutorial is given in the description box below. Watch that tutorial first, then only you can understand this one. These problems based on standard identities. Now, the first problem says using the identity 1 find 2x plus 3y whole squared, and the second is 103 squared. Now the standard identity 1 says that if a plus b whole squared, then this is actually equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. This is the standard identity 1. Now if you look at this one here, a is what? 2x. If you relate with this one, so a is 2x and b is what? 3y. So this is a plus b, it is in the form of a plus b whole squared. So this becomes 2x whole squared plus 2, a means 2x, b means 3y, then plus 3y whole squared. Now from here you get 4x squared, and if you multiply this, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 xy, and then 3y whole squared means 3 times 3 is 9, and then you have y squared, right? So you have 9y squared. So this is the answer for this one. Let's solve for the second one. This is 103 whole squared. So 103 whole squared, 103 squared can be written as 100 plus 3 whole squared. Now a is 100, b is 3, so this is 100 squared plus 2 multiplied by 100 multiplied by b, that is 3, and plus 3 squared. So this is 10,000, right? 100 squared is 10,000 plus this is 600 plus 9. If you solve it, you'll get 10,609. So this is the answer for this one using the identity 1. Now here you have using identity 2 find 4p minus 3q whole squared and 4.9 squared. Now we know that the identity 2 says that if a minus b whole squared, then this is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, now let's solve for this one. Here you have a as 4p and b as 3q. So this becomes 4p squared minus 2 multiplied by 4p, then multiplied by 3q because 2ab, then plus b squared means 3q squared, right? 4p squared means 4p multiplied by 4p, that is 16p squared, then minus 2 times 4 is 8 times 3 is 24 multiplied by pq, and plus 3q multiplied by 3q means 9q squared. Now if you look at this one, this is 4.9 squared, and we have to use identity 2 to solve this. So 4.9 squared can be written as 5 minus 0.1 squared, right? 5 minus 1 will make it in the form of identity 2. So what is a actually then? In this case, a is 5 and b is 0.1. So if you solve this, this becomes 5 squared minus 2. A means 5, b means 0.1, and then you have plus 0.1 squared. Okay, so here this becomes 25 minus 2 times 5 is 10, and 10 multiplied by 0.1 is what? 1. Okay, then plus 0.1 whole squared means what? 0.01. 0.01. If you multiply 0.1, 0.1 multiplied by 0.1, this will give you 1, and since after decimal you have one digit here, and after decimal you have one digit here, so put 0 here, so 1 2 point, so 0.01. now this is 24 plus 0.01, that is 24.01. this is the answer. Using identity 3, find 3 by 2m plus 2 by 3n multiplied by 3 by 2m minus 2 by 3n. Now, and then you have other problems as well. Now, you have to remember that identity 3 says that if a plus b multiplied by a minus b, then this is equal to a squared minus b squared. Now, if you solve this one, this becomes at a you have 3 by 2m and at b you have 2 by 3n. So, a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Right? So, a squared minus b squared. So, a squared becomes 3 by 2m whole squared, 3 by 2m squared minus, what's b here? b is 2 by 3n whole squared. So, this becomes, this is 3 by 2 multiplied by 3 by 2 m squared minus 2 by 3 multiplied by 2 by 3 n squared. If you solve it, 3 times 3 is 9 by 4 m squared minus 4 by 9 n squared. Okay, this is your answer. For the second one, in the second one, this is 983 squared minus 17 squared. Now, if you look at this carefully, then you'll find that actually here you have been given a squared minus b squared, a squared minus b squared. So 983 squared minus 17 squared, this will be equal to 983 plus 17, that is a plus b multiplied by 983 minus 17, that is a minus b. Right? 983 plus 17 is 1000. This is multiplied by 983 minus 17 is 966. So this becomes 966 and 3 zeros. Right? Now, this is third one, that is 194 multiplied by 206. 194 multiplied by 206 means what? If you have to use this identity 3, then this basically becomes, this is 206. So 194 multiplied by 206 can be written as 206 multiplied by 194. That is the commutative property of multiplication. That is 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 2. Right? So commutative property of multiplication. And this gives us the advantage that this can be written as 200 plus 6 multiplied by 200 minus 6, a plus b multiplied by a minus b. This 200 minus 6 is what? 194. 200 plus 6 is what? 206. So this becomes 200 squared minus 6 squared. So this is 40,000. 200 squared means 40,000 minus 36. Right? So I'll leave this for you. Solve this and you'll get the answer. This is the fourth problem, and the problem says using the identity x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x squared plus a plus b x plus ab. This is the general identity. Find the following. We have discussed this general identity and you have to use this one to solve these two problems. Now, if you look at this identity carefully, you have actually 3 variables and this x is the common variable in these two. Like in this expression, you have 2 binomials, that is x plus a multiplied by x plus b. These are 2 binomials. This x variable is common in both the binomials. So if you look at this one, you can write this as 500 plus 1 and 500 plus 2. 500x, 500x, a and b. So from here you get 500 squared plus a plus b means 1 plus 2, x means 500, and then b squared means, sorry, plus ab means 1 multiplied by 2. This gives you 25, 1 2 3 4 zeros, plus 3 multiplied by 500 means 1500 plus 2, right? So if you add this you had 25000, so this becomes 251,502, right? 1500, yeah. So this is your answer. Now if you look at this one, this is 95 multiplied by 103, right? So 95 multiplied by 103 means that we can write this as 100, right? 95 can be written as 100 minus 5, and this can be written as 100 plus 3. Now you would be thinking that, hey, here you have 100 minus 5 and 100 plus 3. This is minus 5, but we have x plus a and x plus b. Okay, so what if I write it as 100 plus minus 5, and this is already 100 plus 3. X plus a is minus 5, x plus b is 3, and x is 100. So this becomes 100 squared plus a plus b means what? Minus 5 plus 3 multiplied by x, that is 100, and plus ab means minus 5 multiplied by 3. So you get 10,000, and here you have minus 2, minus 5 plus 3 means minus 2 multiplied by 100 is minus 200, and minus 15, right? So this is 10,000 minus 215. This is 10,000 minus 215. Again, you solve this one. I'll leave this for you. You solve this answer, subtract it, and you'll get the answer.